T5 Adventures, Episode 4, Packing, Using Every Bit of Space in a VW T5. In this video we look at our early attempts to squeeze everything into a T5 for our expedition. First of all, eating and drinking, the most important thing probably, first of all. We've shown you in a video before how we've got a sliding door where we can put the essentials like hot noodles and hot chocolate. That's really useful for easy access to the important things such as that. In terms of the fridge, because we've got a full width rock and roll bed, we've installed the fridge underneath the rock and roll bed. So there's not a lot in there at the moment, but come the expedition we'll be loading up with milk, and cans and everything else we need. And we power that either from the leisure battery, so Jackery 1000, that can keep the fridge going for a good few days, or hopefully we'll plug up and use the plug-in electricity supply provided by the campsite. We've got a sandwich toaster, good old classic 90s retro food cooking, and at the very back of the van there you can perhaps see we've got a kettle. It's a low wattage kettle, so you can use it without tripping out the electrics. And the bits on the side there show the plates. We've got a little table, and underneath the black box there, which is come back to in a minute or two, we've got an air fryer. So again, this is a low wattage air fryer, so we can hopefully use it without tripping out the electricity on the campsite. Washing, trying this for the first time with this our next expedition. Got something called a Boxio, and this is pretty much a sink in a box. It contains the sink unit, as you can see there. You get a tap. It's you have to pump it yourself. It isn't electric. Keep it nice and simple. And it's got a container for wastewater and a container for fresh water underneath. So in the next video we'll have we'll share how well that's gone or not. So entertainment, we're hoping we're going to get lots of lovely sunshine, but let's face it, that's unlikely. So we've got a little television in the van. It's hooked up to the head unit, and it means that we can watch Netflix if we've got a decent mobile signal, or we can hook up the Xbox. Having a bit more room. Now this is a picture from the hottest day of the year 2023, where I set up the awning for the first time. It was pretty tricky. I'm hoping I'll find it a little easier second time around, but once it's up it does give you lots of extra room, meaning you can spread out a little bit, and hopefully we'll just use the van itself as a bedroom and move everything else into the awning as long as it's not too windy. So clothing, we'll be taking a couple of bags each and bunging them in the middle bit. I've seen some people do some pretty clever things with putting their quilts and sleeping bags in the back there. We'll be trying that out this time. And the other thing that's really important for getting a good night's sleep is making sure that we cover the windows. So we do have a windscreen cover and covers for the passenger and driver's side windows. And finally, the loo. This box here from a popular high street retailer, I can't remember the name, Dunelm, that's it. Dunelm. We've got a loo hidden underneath the box here. But we'll be using the campsite facilities mostly, I hope. That's it for this episode. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And in the next episode, we'll hopefully be showing you how well we got on with our Boxio.